Just checking out the thunderstorms. It's quiet, but they just kind of just sitting on the mountains right now. Just checking them out. Let's see if I can catch something different. Sparks. That's what they are. They sparks. You see sparks in the sky. That's right, sparks. They're just kind of everywhere. Yeah, that was a good one right there. And it's not even raining. It's just sparks. It's all in the sky. So just taking it in, thinking about some things. It seems like this middle part is where it's most active. Right in there. That's like the heavy part right there. The heavy part is sparks. S-P-A-R-K-S. So we're just checking it out. Just trying to capture some good footage for a second. That's all. Right there, that's where like the thick of it is, like right there in the middle, right there. That's what the thick of it is right there. Man. Why, as soon as I put the camera away is when it's gonna start getting really heavy. I bet you. Right there in that middle right there, that's where all this action seems like it's at right there. Boo-boo. Let me go over here, see what's up over here. Behind this building right here.